Test if a numpy array is a member of a list of numpy arrays, and remove it from the list. When testing if a numpy array C is member of a list of numpy arrays CNTS. I get value error. The truth value of an array with more than one element is ambiguous. Use a.any or a.all. However, the answer is rather clear. C is exactly CNTS1, so C in CNTS should return true. How to correctly test if a numpy array is member of a list of numpy arrays? The same problem happens when removing. Value error. The truth value of an array with more than one element is ambiguous. Use a.any or a.all. Application. Test if an opened contour, numpy array, is member of a list of contours. See for example remove an opened contour from a list of contours.
You are getting the error because it essentially invokes bool C equals X on every element X of CNTS. It's the _bool _ conversion that is raising the error. The same applies for removal, since it tests for equality with each element. Containment. The solution is to use np.array_equal or apply the all method to each comparison. Or removal. To perform the removal, you are more interested in the index of the element than its existence. The fastest way I can think of is to iterate over the indices, using the elements of CNTS as comparison keys. This option short-circuits quite nicely, and returns -1 as the default index rather than raising a stop iteration. You can remove the argument -1 to next if you prefer the error. If you prefer, you can replace C equals X dot all with np.array_equal C, X. Now you can remove as usual.
This solution could work for this case. This function iterates over a list of arrays and tests the equality against some other array. So the usage would be: to remove the array from the list, you can get the index of the array and then use list.pop. In the function get_index, we enumerate the list of arrays, meaning we zip the indices of the list and the contents of the list. If there is a match, we return the index of the match. Please see the Python data structures tutorial for the documentation of list.pop, this URL.
Use del to delete the index of the list you want to remove.
I fjor vant to sin mor, Pjace Consider subscribing.